Creating videos is often a team effort. With Google Vids, collaboration is built in, making it easy to work together on video projects. Sharing your project is as simple as clicking the Share button in the toolbar. Then, type the individual or Google Group email address in the input box. When sharing your video, choose the right access level for your collaborators. Depending on their needs, you can give them permission to view, comment, or edit the video. This facilitates a smooth workflow and ensures everyone is on the same page. Select the appropriate permission from the list of permissions and click Send. One unique feature of Vids is how it handles view access. Unlike docs, sheets, and slides where viewers are taken to the editor, Vids viewers see a full-screen video player. This allows you to share polished, full-screen videos with wider audiences, including those without Google Workspace email addresses. Beyond managing access to your video, Google Vids makes it easy to collaborate when you're building videos by commenting your colleagues in, just like you do in docs and slides. Your teammates can give you accurate, contextualized feedback through comments in Google Vids. Instead of relying on general comments, reviewers can leave feedback tied to a specific scene in your storyboard. This targeted approach fosters clear communication and helps you address concerns effectively. Vids also has video placeholders for easy collaboration. Tag a colleague in a specific scene to get their feedback, or have an executive record their thoughts right in that scene using the recording studio. Google Vids also keeps a complete history of the changes you make to your videos. This means you can easily look back at earlier versions, see what's changed, and restore a previous version if needed. It's like having a rewind button for your creative process. It gives you peace of mind in case of accidental deletion, while letting you experiment and improve your work over time. To review the comprehensive view of changes to the file, go to the top-level menu and select File. Then select Version History. And finally, click See Version History. Once the version history is open, you can browse through the different versions of your file. Each version will be listed with a date and timestamp, as well as the name of the person who made the changes. You can click any version to view it in detail. The More Actions option provides two ways to use older file versions. You can restore an older version directly within the current file, or create a new file with a copy of that version. If you need to quickly pinpoint a past version from a specific time, you may not want to have to search through your video's full version history. You can create a named version of your Vids file when you reach a significant milestone, like a final draft or a version sent for review. This can help you preserve the specific version for future reference while continuing to edit the file. In the More Options menu, select Name this version. Enter the name you want to use. Then either press Enter on your keyboard or click outside the text input box to save it. Once you're happy with your final version, Google Vids offers flexible options for sharing your work. You can download your video as an MP4 by selecting File, then Download as MP4 from the top-level menu. In the File menu, you also have the option to export to Drive. You can also share a link that displays the video in playback mode by sharing view access with your collaborators or audience, providing a clean copy without any editor elements or comments.